The 2022 GMC Sierra key fob uses a CR232 battery. Start by gathering a small flat tool like a screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the small slot on the side of the key fob to gently pry it open. The fob case snaps together, so apply steady pressure until it separates into two halves. Be careful not to force it, as this can damage the plastic clips that hold it together. Avoid using metal tools if possible to prevent scratching or short-circuiting any internal components. Most importantly, do not apply too much force. Patience is key. With the key fob case open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up. Gently remove the old battery, which may be held by a small clip or pressure. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it sits securely in place. Align the two halves of the key fob case and snap them back together until you hear a click. Test the fob to confirm it's working by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center.